Hi, my name is Craig McGee. Thank you for your interest in our article on this month's issue of The Science Teacher, in which we discuss the use of the starlet sea anemone, Nematostella vectensis, as a tool in the high school science classroom. I'm a developmental biologist. I use Nematostella in my research lab for a number of reasons, but one of which is that they're really easy to grow and manipulate in the lab. They're easy to culture. There's a large number of experimental tools available, so there's lots of cool experiments you can do with them. And what I and my co-authors realized was that these same advantages that make Nematostella really useful in the research context translate well to the educational context, and it is a really useful animal to use in the high school science classroom. So in our paper, we describe a number of experiments that teachers can do using this organism, both in independent research projects with students, as well as in structured laboratory activities. This is our research animal, Nematostella vectensis, the starlet sea anemone. They're really easy to grow in the lab. You can raise them in finger bowls like this one, in artificial seawater. And as I said, there are many experimental tools available. So the ideas that we provide in our manuscript are just a starting point, of course. There's many other ideas that other people can come up with, and we're happy to hear about them. We're excited to share this animal and the benefits of this animal with the wider community. So feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I'm happy to respond by email to any questions or comments you may have. If you're using this animal, I'm excited to hear about any projects you come up with, employing them as a tool to get students excited about an organism that they may not have a lot of experience with, but which is really interesting in its own right, and get them excited about investigating different aspects of its organismal biology. So thank you again for your interest